Understanding the difference between you and a chicken could be the key to the fight against flu. All human flu viruses originally came from birds, and flu pandemics happen when a flu virus jumps from birds into humans. Luckily for us, this doesn't happen very often, because bird viruses can't replicate very well in our cells. Flu viruses replicate or make copies of themselves using a virus copying machine, which they carry along into cells. This virus copying machine helps the flu virus to hijack our cells and turn them into virus-making factories. These viruses can then spread and cause disease. We have vaccines for flu, but they're always one step behind, because the virus has a secret weapon. It's constantly changing. So how does the flu virus change? Well, flu viruses are really sloppy, and so every time they copy themselves, they make a lot of mistakes, called mutations. And once in a while, these mutations or changes will result in a virus that can do something new. In addition, each flu virus carries not one string of viral genes, but 8 individual gene segments. And so when more than one virus infects the same cell, these viruses can swap genes in a kind of viral sex to form a completely new hybrid virus. If this happens between a bird virus and a mammal virus, for example, the result could be a new hybrid virus that could jump into humans and cause a deadly flu outbreak. It's for this reason that scientists have been trying to understand exactly how the bird flu virus has to change in order to replicate in our cells. And earlier this year, virologists in London finally cracked it when they were looking at bird flu virus replication in chicken-mammal hybrid cells. They found that it all comes down to a single protein in our cells which acts like a traitor and helps the flu virus to replicate once it has entered the cell. As an insider, this protein sneakily helps the flu virus by speeding up its virus copying machine. Bird flu viruses are adapted to a longer version of this protein in bird cells, and so they can't use the human protein, which is much shorter. That is, unless they change, acquire a particular mutation which adapts them to the shorter human version of the protein. Once they've changed, this human protein can speed up their virus copying machines, allowing the production of more flu viruses, which spread and cause disease in humans. Now we know exactly how the bird flu virus has to change in order to jump into humans. It's something scientists can try and look out for. They also found that this protein was crucial for the seasonal flu virus to be able to replicate in human cells. When they removed the protein, it stopped the virus infection. Now, scientists can look for a drug to block this interaction between flu virus and our cells, and so stop the virus in its tracks. So it might turn out that the secret to getting rid of flu has been sitting inside our cells all along. Thank you.